Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian peanut butter soup or groundnut soup recipe with you all. It's very easy to put together and you are definitely going to love this recipe. If today been your first time on this channel, hello. This is Cooking with Ifia. Kindly you subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's dive right into it. With this recipe, I will start by cooking my vegetables, which is the pepper, fresh tomatoes. I'll also go in with some garden eggs and onion. You can use any vegetable of your choice, okay? I'll go in with some water to cook this until it is soft enough for us to blend. So whilst that is going on, I will start by steaming my proteins. And for proteins, I'll be going in with some chicken. Moving forward, I'm also going to go in with some cow meat as well. And I'm also going to go in with some cow feet. You can also use any protein of choice. And for the cow feet, I've already pre-cooked it, so it is already soft. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some tomato paste. You can also use fresh tomatoes if that is what you want. Next, I'll go in with some garlic and ginger paste as well. I'll also go in with some chopped onions. Next, I'll go in with some meat seasoning powder, garlic, onion and ginger powder. I'll also go in with some chicken seasoning and a little bit of salt to taste. Everything in there is totally to your taste. Afterwards, I'll go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on. All right, I'll add in more water because we are making light soup at this point. It should be light soup and the consistency is totally to your preference. I will stir very well, cover it and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready. And remember to check your soup from time to time, okay? Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Moving forward, I'll also start by cooking my peanut butter, and so this is how I'm going to do mine. I will add in all my peanut butter into the pot. Afterwards, I'll go in with hot water. You can as well go in with cold water if that is what you want, but trust me, the hot water makes your peanut butter melt or mixes well very fast, okay? Next, I'll go in with just a little bit of tomato paste just to give it that beautiful color after it is done. All right, now after going in with the water, I'll be using my hand mix to mix the peanut butter. You can also use any wooden ladle or any spatula of choice to mix it until you have no lumps in your peanut butter, okay? So now let's mix it until it's nice and ready, and be sure to go in with extra water if the consistency is a little bit thick for you. And remember also, at this point my flame is off, it's not on, because I don't want to develop any lumps in this at all, right? So after mixing to get a perfect consistency, the smooth consistency, I will set it aside and check on the base of the soup. All right, so we are back to check on the soup, and at this point the scent in here is so heavenly. It smells so good, and as you can see, it looks all juicy and just perfect. But this point is still not ready, so I'll give it a good mix, cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for extra 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so whilst that is going on, I'll start by cooking my peanut butter. And so I'll be cooking this on low flame for about 20 minutes until oil settles on top beautifully, and that is what we're looking for. So now let's stir very well. Remember to stir continuously because we don't want to develop any lumps in this at all, right? Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for your massive support always this channel. Alright, so after stirring this for about 10 minutes, oil is beginning to settle on top, so I'll cover it and allow it to cook for extra 10 minutes until it settles on top very well, just as you're seeing on your screens right now. If you are using soft proteins for your peanut butter soup, trust me, these steps or this procedures is best for you, because as soon as your peanut butter is cooked, all that is left is for you to add it to your soup base and cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes and your soup is ready in no time. Alright, so we are back to check on our soup, and as you can see, it's looking all good and perfect. At this point, it is ready. I will give it a good mix and I'll add in my peanut butter. Now, see how easy you can make your own peanut butter soup at home with just few ingredients, and in no time your peanut butter soup is going to be ready as well. Alright, so after adding in the peanut butter, I'll stir very well and I'll check if I love the consistency. If it's too thick for me, I will go in with more water until I reach the desired consistency that I want. You can as well omit it if you don't want to add in too much water at this stage. Alright, stir everything well and taste for salt and see if it's enough. If it's not enough, you can go in with extra salt if that is what you want. Okay, everything is totally to your taste. I'll cover it and allow it to cook until the soup is nice and ready, just like this. Yes, the soup is ready, and as you can see, it looks very mouth-watering and very appetizing. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with this kind of soup, and I'll be waiting for you to read all your beautiful comments down below as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed till this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do what to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And so I enjoyed mine with some rice, but you can enjoy with any swallow or anything of your choice as well. Alright, so thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.